While 40% of workers fear AI will replace them, Alex Finn just quit his job after his AI-powered app, Creator Buddy, hit $15,000 in monthly revenue. Here's what he knows that you don't. For your entire life, you've been given a map to success. Go to school, get a good job, climb the ladder. You were told this map was reliable, that it would lead you to a safe destination. But AI just set that map on fire. And in its place, it's handed us something far more powerful and dangerous. A completely new type of map that fundamentally changes the nature of work itself. Think about why your work has value today. It takes time, it takes skill, and there aren't that many people who can do it at a high level. Tomorrow, that same space gets flooded with thousands of AI-generated products, most indistinguishable from human work. Now, this creates two kinds of paths. First, the passenger path. People here follow the blue dot. They ask the AI for an answer, and they take it. Their time gets consumed by AI-generated entertainment. Their decisions are subtly manipulated. Their skills become less valuable over time and become totally dependent on the system. Then there is the navigator's path. They use AI as a tool of infinite leverage. They become a high-agency generalist who solves problems, builds solutions, and creates value, using AI's power not to replace their thinking, but to amplify it. So, here's the mental flip you need to adopt to take the second path. Restructure your thinking. The old you asks, how do I do this task? The new you asks, how do I design a system to get this done? The old you learns technical skills. The new you learns to direct intelligence. The old you works in their job. The new you works on the systems that do the job. So how do you become the navigator? Here's your 3-step guide to reading the new map of the future. Number 1. Become an idea machine. Your value is no longer in doing the task. It's in directing the task. Don't learn just Photoshop. Learn how to direct AI to create better visuals than any Photoshop expert. The most valuable skill in the age of AI isn't doing the work. It's taking messy, complex human problems and translating them into clear instructions that AI can execute flawlessly. Take PJ Ace, for example. He's making viral AI films and landing $5,000 commercial deals from his bedroom. He's not a Hollywood director. He's an idea machine who knows how to communicate his vision to AI. Your human creativity, your curiosity, your unique questions, that is the fuel for the AI engine. Number 2, build your experience moat. AI is being trained on the entire internet. It can analyze huge documents, generate flawless business plans, automate tasks, and create an infinite ocean of content. But it doesn't know the lessons from your first failed business, the weird advice your mentor gave you, or the specific feeling of solving a problem that kept you up for a week. This is your new moat. It's about embedding your work with details so specific and personal that they are untrainable. Polishing your taste and judgment, built from years of real-world experience. Look at Sherry Jen. She vibe-coded an app called Peak to simplify personal finance and got thousands of app downloads. What made her app different? Her personal understanding of what makes finance feel enjoyable, something no AI training data could teach. People won't just look for information. They will look for trusted guides to help them navigate the chaos. Number 3, master your tools of leverage. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to learn how to communicate with these tools. Start small. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, see what's possible. Meet Ritesh Verma. He created an AI agent that automates shift scheduling for healthcare workers. He secured 14 contracts within 5 months, generating $10,000 monthly revenue. He's not a coding expert. He just learned to speak AI's language. Just like a developer builds with code, you need to build with AI. I've put a document in the description with a list of AI tools you can start with today, so do check that out. One person can now have the research capacity of a PhD team, the creative output of a design agency, and the problem-solving power of an entire consulting firm. These roles aren't being replaced. They're evolving, creating entirely new categories of work that didn't exist 6 months ago. Think of it like this. A blacksmith in 1800 could make one horseshoe at a time. Today, one person oversees a factory that makes thousands. Same human, different leverage. In 1900, the horse was the engine of the world. Then the car was invented, and horses became obsolete. AI is the new car, and it's doing the same thing, but for your mind, your voice, your work, your ideas. They will compete with infinite AI that never sleeps, never stops, and costs almost nothing to run. But here's where most people mess this up. They see this as a threat instead of the biggest opportunity in human history. You need to zoom out. Look from the satellite view, and use the map's power to find shortcuts the system hasn't even suggested. While everyone else is worried about AI taking their job, the smart people? They're busy using AI to create jobs that didn't even exist yesterday. The question isn't whether AI will change your future. It's whether you'll be the one directing that change, or just watching it happen to you. The future belongs to those who learn to conduct intelligence, not just follow an old map. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel as we build that future together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.